Come along with me today as I create a renter-friendly decor hack utilizing my Cricut Maker 3. My best friends recently moved into an apartment to call their own, and I am going to be helping them by upgrading their bathroom in a renter-friendly way. This is bathroom number 1, and we're going to be tying in the decor from the shower curtain, and we're going to be utilizing the Cricut removable vinyl on the walls to create a little bit more flair here in the bathroom. Thanks so much to Cricut for sponsoring this video. Let's check out the second bathroom. This is bathroom number 2. So again, we're gonna be utilizing the design on the shower curtain and create some great art over here on this wall. I don't know about you, but in my opinion, and even their opinion, apartments are just so blah. And so I wanted to come up with a creative way, but yet renter-friendly way that we could just spice up their bathrooms and give them a little bit of decor. I love peel and stick wallpaper, but we're going to be doing peel and stick wallpaper with a little bit of a twist. Let's head over to the Cricut and start designing. We're gonna hop into Cricut Design Space so that we can design our wall decals. Design Space is a free software program that comes with the machine, and you get to select an image or a font for a project, and then Design Space sends that straight to your machine to cut. You can resize the designs so that you can put it as big or as small as you would like it. In the Design Space, we are going to go ahead and type in the exact thing that we are looking for so that we can narrow down our search instead of just searching for all of the possibilities. So we are going to be searching for a monstera leaf. All right, so when we pull up the monstera leaf, my friend Char and I, since this is for her bathroom, we went ahead and scoped out the leaves that are available here on the Design Space, and we ended up choosing this one. We think that this one, it matches the shower curtain as best as we could find. So we're going to be cutting several different sizes of this leaf and putting it on 1 or maybe even 2 of the walls in her bathroom. So we're gonna start by cutting the leaves, the large leaves. So the first ones that we're gonna cut are gonna be 12 inches. I am going to be utilizing the color Suntan, and this is the most important part here. You want to make sure that you've got the removable vinyl. If you've got the permanent vinyl and you put that on your wall, it's going to be very difficult to get off, and if you do get it off, it's probably going to peel the paint and maybe even the drywall with it. So to be renter friendly, you need the removable vinyl. So we're gonna go ahead and load up the Maker 3. Since this is not a smart material, we're gonna be using the matte. So I'm gonna stick it to the matte and we're gonna get going. Now that I've got my mat all loaded with my vinyl here, I'm gonna go ahead and slide it into my machine. This is a really cool feature of the Cricut that it's Bluetooth. So that means I don't have to have any cord from my computer to the actual machine. It'll just send it straight from Design Space to my Cricut machine. It's gonna measure the mat to make sure that I have enough material here for it to cut. And then all we're gonna do is push the play button, and that is going to tell my machine to start cutting. Now that we've got the whole leaf cut, I'm gonna go ahead and unload the mat like so. And then I don't know if you can see it, but it is cut out on that vinyl. So our next job is to do what's called weeding. And so that means that I want to get rid of all of the vinyl that I don't want stuck on the wall and keep the vinyl that I do want stuck on the wall. And that's one leaf done. Look how simple that was. Next, we are going to just continue on the project, and we're going to make a couple more large leaves as well as several smaller leaves to fill out the wall in the bathroom. And then I'll show you guys how we're going to actually attach the leaves. I'm gonna bring in some reinforcements now, and I'm actually gonna make my friends help me. So Char and Kat are gonna be helping me actually cut these and weed these and so on and so forth. Can't let them off the hook that easy. We gotta put them to work too. Okay, we got these all cut, and now we're going to be placing them on the wall just to lay them out at first. Then we'll go ahead and actually burnish them to the wall so that they'll stick. But we want to just lay them out, that way we don't get any too close. And we've cut 3 large ones, 5 8-inch ones, 7 6-inch ones, and 9 4-inch ones. So we should have enough to go on this wall here. Went ahead and designed it. We laid it all out where we want it, and now we're going to burnish the vinyl to the wall. So that just means we're going to be taking a tool and rubbing pretty hard onto the vinyl and sticking it to the wall, and then slowly we'll remove the actual transfer tape. So this is the tool I'm using here, and we're just gonna go ahead and get all of the vinyl stuck to this wall. Just kind of going line by line, make sure it all sticks nicely. When you remove the transfer tape, you want to sort of do it up at an angle, and then if any starts to stick to the tape still, then you'll just take your tool and line it back up, or rub it back down like this. And there we have it. There's one. I'm calling in the reinforcements again to help me get the rest done. We are almost done. We've got just a couple more finishing touches, and then we'll show you the final reveal. Just kidding, I'm making you guys wait, because now we're gonna do Kat's bathroom.
Dude, guys, it literally looks like a whole new bathroom.
We got all the rainbows up here in Kat's bathroom, so now it's time for the final reveal of both. Let me know what you guys think of the final results of both bathrooms. I think that these little small touches on the wall really transform this pretty much basic bathroom. It's all beige, one color, no design elements. Yes, we could hang some wall art, but I think that these wall decals just give it that much more of a little twist on her personal taste. It matches the shower curtain, so that's another fun element. And then also the most important part is, again, that it is removable. It is safe for you to do this if you are just renting a space. And I think that it is so important for people to be able to make a space their own, even if they don't own that space. There's so many people that are out there renting apartments and homes and different things like that. And there's no reason why you guys shouldn't be able to do things like this in your space as well. So I hope that this inspired you guys to get a little bit creative and just think outside of the box. The Cricut has so many awesome opportunities. I've used it on furniture before, and I've used it on so many other projects, but this one is probably one of my most favorite to date. So let me know again what you guys think down below in the comments. So thanks again to Cricut for sponsoring this video. Get out there, get creative, and I'll see you on the flip side.